What's up guys? Ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng paint, color or dye. Tara. Yeah. Yeah. Looks so very... Okay. Hindi tayo maging red yan. Kaya hahay tayo sa red. Kagaya ng lalaro tayo ng... Nakanood na ba kayo ng kayo? Comment lang. Okay na ulit. Patuloy ko. Patuloy ko pa rin naman isa. Sorry. Oh my god. Did we get so far? He's coming, he's coming. He's coming, he's coming. Ayun. He's coming. Oh no. Or die. Color or die. Di ba kita ko to guys? Tama ko, right? And I am right. This color. Okay. We are already not so easy. Yun, dito na tayo. Black painting. Careful ka lang, bacon. At mamaya, kuhain tayo ng multo dyan sa baba, diba? Di ko naniniwala sa multo. Naniniwala talaga ako pag nalaglag ako. Pero, hindi totoo multo. Is this a little joke? Guys, I'm done! Yeah. You almost fall, but I pulled you. Oh my... What are you looking about it? Don't cry about. Always, that's not so fresh for me. Yeah. Oh my god. Careful. Abot ko na sana eh. Lalayas ako dito. Please don't you punch me. How dare you. Don't you dare to punch me. Color or dye. Color or dye ang nilalaro ko, guys. Hindi to joke. Don't get a little joke. I'm done. I'm done with it. Is she in here? Yeah. Wala siya dito. Look at the little jokes, guys. I'm done. I'm done with it. Huwag kayong mag-joke, ha? Huwag kayong mag-joke kayo. I don't really want to say joke. How dare you guys? Oh, wow. Oh my god, it's there. This is fun. Hey, Bet. Kasi ko yung ingay yun. Bigla magkakanta lang ako. Hindi tayo naniniwala sa multo. Hindi tayo naniniwala sa multo. Fake lang yan. Fake lang yan. Lagi na tayo.